Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x800f024b on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the drivers, and this has to be done through Windows Updates, which is not working. So what you can do in this case is go to Intel Driver and Support Assistant and use the tool to update your drivers. If you use AMD, then use AMD Auto Detect. The last solution will be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Select Other Troubleshooters. Corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter, click on Run. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.